I would request all of you to kindly switch off your mobile phones or keep it on silent mode. Before we start the event, I would request all the dignitaries and students to kindly stand up for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
As Steve Jobs said, your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, Sakshi Jain, student of MBA 2,
And I, Latika Vadva, student of BBA 4,
welcome you all to the annual Job Fair 2017, organized and hosted by Rukmani Devi Institute of Advanced Studies. At the very outset, we would like to extend a warm welcome to our director, RDIS Professor Dr. Raman Garg, and our esteemed participating company delegates, head of the department, MCA, MBA, BBA, faculty members, and dear fellow members. Going forward, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to brief you about Rukmani Devi Group of Institutions.
keeping in view the growing need for educational opportunities for children with an exposure to contemporary circumstances and to develop them into a responsible citizen and as a national resource, our chairman Sir Shri K.C. Garg and his wife Mrs. Anita Garg established a society, namely State Pokarmal Educational Society, to serve the community as a whole. Under the aegis of State Pokarmal Educational Society, they started Rukmani Devi Public School in Pitampura and perpetuated the name of his revered father, Seth Pokarmal, and his respected mother, Srimati Rukmini Devi, who were having their vision of education of masses in India.
Today, Seth Pokarmal Educational Society operates several institutes of repute under the brand name of Rukmani Devi. Though it is concerted efforts, the society has created institutions of international standard that impart quality education right from the kindergarten stage to doctoral levels at a very affordable prices. Institutions under State Pokarmal Education Societies are Rukmani Devi Public School Pitampura, Rukmani Devi Institute of Advanced Studies Rohini, Rukmani Devi Infotech Rohini, Rukmani Devi Lalit Kala Kendra Pitampura, Rukmani Devi Public School Rohini, Rukmani Devi Balvatika Pitampura, Rukmani Devi College of Education Rohini, Rukmani Devi Center of Excellence in Computational Nanotechnology, Rukmani Devi Public School Sonirpur.
Rukmini Devi Institute of Advanced Studies is accredited with A grade by NAC, that is National Assessment and Accreditation Council. RDIS is a category A plus institute judged by SFRC, State Fee Regulatory Committee. The institute has been rewarded highest category A grading by Joint Assessment Committee of GGS IPU and Department of Higher Education, Government of NCD of Delhi. The institute is an ISO 9001 certified institute and is run under the aegis of State Pokarmal Educational Society. The institute is an active member of MDSA, Association of Management Development Institution in South Asia, IMA, All India Management Association, CSI, Computer Society of India, Delnet, Developing Library Network, American Library, British Council Library, CII, Confederation of Indian Industry, and NHRDN, National Human Resource Development Network. The institution has also signed a Memorandum of Understanding with University of Cambridge, UK, ICE Academy UK, Gunadharma University Indonesia, and MSME Technology Development Center, PPDC Agra, Ministry of MSME, Government of India. The institute is affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, a leading Delhi State University, and has a cohesive team of experienced academicians who facilitate the learning process by augmenting the course structure through active academic industry interface.
Before moving forward, let us all invoke the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and intellect. She is known as Mother of Vedas and of knowledge, music, craft, wisdom, and art and auspiciousness. It is believed that appeasing Goddess Saraswati will remove all the obstacles that one will encounter during his or her career or education. I would request Director Sir, company officials, and head of the departments to come forward and light the lamp. Can we have a loud round of applause, please?
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत्
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This year, RDICE is organizing its fourth annual Job Fair 2017. The aim behind organizing this fair is to provide opportunities to students for career advancement. Annual Fair 2017 will give a platform to students where they have a wide choice of companies. A perfect blend of career opportunities and a corporate exposure, Job Fair 2017 will give an opportunity for potential employers from to directly interact with the candidates in one day meeting to site source fresh talent. Moving with the felicitation, it is an honor to introduce the gathering director, RDIS Professor Dr. Raman Garg. The vision of our It is an honor to introduce the gathering to Director RDIS Professor Dr. Raman Garg. The vision of our director and his dedication to cause the management education, combined with a dynamic approach to leadership, has made a telling difference to the growth of the college. Sir has an indomitable spirit to maintain the discipline, and the boundless energy of Sir is also a source of inspiration to all of us. Sir has provided us a valuable platform where we can have sessions from expert, from academic, corporate, which assist us with knowledge and skill necessary to work and excel in the ever more competitive global environment. The most admirable part of being under his guidance is that he always imparts knowledge and valuable ethics to us. I would request student coordinators to facilitate Director Sir. Can we have a huge round of applause for Sir, please? Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Thank you, sir. I would now request student coordinators to felicitate in charge Training and Placement Department, Miss Tanuja Saroha. Thank you, ma'am. I would now request student coordinators to felicitate Dean Academics, Miss Anshu Lochab. Thank you, ma'am. I would now request student coordinators to felicitate Dean Admissions, Examinations and Administration, Dr. Manoj Kumar Gupta. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Thank you, sir. I would now request student coordinators to felicitate Dean Academics, Social Student Welfare, Mr. Sumendra Gupta. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Thank you, sir. Now I would request Director Ardais, Director Sir, to please address the gathering and motivate the students. Can we have a huge round of applause, please?
Good morning, all of you. Thank you, Sakshi and Latika, for giving me an opportunity to speak to such an august gathering on such an august occasion. Good morning, friends. Madam Tanuja, Dean Academics, Administration and Student Welfare, distinguished guests from various companies present here today, student coordinators and my dear friends, colleagues and students. I'm very happy today to share that more than 35 companies will visit ADA today to participate in our annual job fair 2017. On behalf of management of RDIS, our faculty members and our students, I extend a very warm welcome to all the distinguished guests from various companies and corporates present here today. At RDIS, we view our students as an integrated part of our processes. We also view our students as projections of our efforts. That is, when they achieve a milestone in their career or at college level, we feel that there is a little RDIS in them. I wish to tell you a little story which I read in a Paulo Coelho book. And I'm sure that you'll carry this story in your hearts away. And whenever you'll remember this story, RDIS will come to your mind and your hearts. There was a tulip flower. It was the most beautiful tulip flower the world has ever seen. It lived in a beautiful garden in London near the Queen's Palace. There were many flowers in the garden. There were roses, there were sunflowers of different sizes, different colors, different shapes. But this tulip had all the sunshine, all the water, all the love and care of the gardener, and was very happy, but for one reason. It wanted to be a rose. The only reason the tulip was unhappy was that it envied the rose in the adjacent flower bed. This tulip flower despised it all its life, despised the rose flower with all its strength, but it could never become a rose. The Mother Nature has chosen so. The moral goes like this, that the tulip will remain a tulip and the rose will remain a rose. So one must, and this is for our students who are penultimate year students and going out to start a career, that one must rejoice in being a tulip and through sustained efforts try and become a better tulip each day. Are we not all tulips? Do we not all run away from our own existence? Do we not all see and seek ourselves in others? Do we not become sad at objects we don't have and our fellow friend or neighbor has? So we must embrace our identity and we must, I think, look within and beyond and find happiness therein. So dear students, you'll enter a new phase of your life and I'm hopeful that most of you will achieve what they desire and deserve today, and you'll make your family, your loved ones, your friends, your faculty, your college, and your future employers proud of your achievements. So with this, I once again thank all the delegates and distinguished guests present today for the time at RDIS, and I hope and I wish that with your continued effort, we'll strengthen our endeavors in the near future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for addressing the gathering. Before we move on, we would like to extend our sincere thanks to Dean, Training and Placement Department, Ms. Namita Garg, for her undeviating support and guidance. Madam has been the guiding force behind this event, and it is only because of her constant efforts that we are able to organize this event this year as well.
Now, it's time to introduce you all to the participating companies in the annual Job Fair 2017. I would request Director Professor Dr. Raman Garg, Dean Academics Ms. Anshu Lochak, Dean Admissions, Examinations and Administration Dr. Manoj Gupta to come on stage to felicitate all the company delegates. We would now request the delegates of Passive Referral to come on stage for the felicitation ceremony.
Can
Give
we
a
have
huge round of applause, please. We would now request the delegates of Investors Clinic to come on stage for the felicitation ceremony. We would now request the delegates of Career Marshal to be on stage for the felicitation ceremony. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? We would now request the delegates of Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Hospital and Research Center on stage for felicitation ceremony. We would request the delegates of Beacon HR Services, hiring partner of Urban Gap, EVX Corp, Home Credit India, to be on stage for felicitation ceremony. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? We would now request the delegates of College Dunia to come on stage for the felicitation ceremony.
Can we have a huge round of applause, please?
We would now request the delegates of Universal Data Solutions to come on stage for felicitation ceremony. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? We would now request the delegates of Mudra Group to come on stage for the felicitation ceremony. Please give them a huge round of applause, please. We would now request the delegates of Edu Excellence to come on stage for the felicitation ceremony. A huge round of applause, please.
We would request the delegates of Overture Red to come on stage for felicitation ceremony. Can we have a huge round of applause, please?
We would now request the delegates of Career Innovators to come on stage for the felicitation ceremony. A huge round of applause, please.
We would request the delegates of Vibrant Solution hiring for in-house, Profile and hiring partner of Silverleaf Solution and Convergys to come on stage for felicitation.
Give them a huge round of applause, please.
We would request the delegates of Just Dial to come on stage for felicitation ceremony. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? We would request the delegates of Element Manpower Solution to come on stage for felicitation. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? We would request the delegates of Franchise India to come on stage for felicitation. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? The delegates of Invincible hiring for MNC company based out of Gurgaon will join us after lunch.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
We would like to invite delegates of Vedio Kids to come on stage for felicitation ceremony.
As they have arrived shortly, we would request Sir and Madam to felicitate them. Hello. बोलो, मुझे बोला, मैं बोल, हमारा ये हो गया। बोल दिया था। एक मिनट, राजीव गांधी का दोबारा बोलो। We would request the delegates of Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Hospital to be on stage for the felicitation ceremony, since they have arrived shortly. Okay. Hmm. Spectral. We we request the delegates of Spectral Consultancies to please be on stage for the felicitation ceremony. Give a huge round of applause, please. Beacon HR Services.
I would request Beacon HR Service to kindly come forward for felicitation ceremony. They are a hiring partner of Urban Clap, EVX Corp, and Home Credit India. Welcome, madam. Please.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. As we all know, student coordinators are the binding force to make any event a success. Without their constant efforts and consistent hard work, no event can be conducted smoothly. I would like to thank all the student coordinators for their ample contribution and putting in their best efforts in organizing this event. Now I would like to
Can we have a huge round of applause for them, please?
Now I would request Director Sir to appreciate the Chief Student Coordinators by giving away a token of appreciation to them. I would like to call upon stage our Chief Student Placement Coordinators, Janvi, Manvi, Hitesh from MBA. Give a huge round of applause, please. Shubham and Sachin from MCA and Aarti from BVA.
Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Can we have a huge round of applause, please?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. On behalf of RDIS, I'd like to thank all the company delegates for taking time off their busy schedule and provide an opportunity to the deserving candidates of our institute. We hope to serve the best of and the right pool of talent. I would request the faculty members to please proceed for the Job Fair 2017.
I would request Ayushi, the student coordinator of Career Innovations, to move to room number 301. I would request the student coordinator, Divyant Dhalf of Elements Manpower Solutions, to move to the respective rooms. I would request the student coordinator, Tushar, to move to the respective rooms with the delegates of Investors Clinic. I would request Komal to move to the
Students, please.
respective rooms.
Student, please. I would request everyone to kindly assemble in conference room in B block, and then we can have the disbursement along
Okay.
with student coordinators. So I would request all delegates, company officials to be present in conference room. Student, please. If you can escort them to the conference room, and then we can have dispersal from there. Right? Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies
Thank
and
you so
gentlemen.
much.
स्टूडेंट्स का फोन आ गया, स्टूडेंट्स रहने लग गए हैं तो भी